As a mom, every morning needs to start off right. I love the special moments that my VoiceGift play creates. It can keep me grounded. Today is a day to be gentle, to love, be patient, and soak in life to the fullest. And when we make a batch of Grandma's classic cookies, she's there to tell us how.
This is one of my favorite recipes, and it was also one of your great-grandmother's favorite recipes.
And Play for Kids can turn their daily chores into fun activities.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth gently down the stream. Brush them up and brush them down and brush them till they're...
It can stop time, even for just a moment.
It's like when you finished your latest masterpiece, or the day that you got on stage for your ballet recital.
Turn a record collection into a trip down memory lane. This was the song your dad and I danced to on our wedding day. Transport Grandpa halfway around the country to read a story.
Black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes. Will you be back soon?
And when Dad has to work late, it makes sure that he never misses bedtime.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
The VoiceGift play. What life sounds like.
I love you, Ollie.
I love you, Daddy.